I don't know what I'm make this if I'm make this into a vlog or not, but I just finished this book. I borrowed it from the library. I finished it just in time. Today's the 1st of February, and I extended it to the 3rd of February. So I literally just finished it just now. It was overall a good book. I like these, like, what do you call this? This was in the, oh yeah, young adult fiction section. Yeah, the book is called Love is a Revolution. Apparently it's a Newbery honor and Coretta. It got the Coretta Scott King Award. The author or something like that. But yeah, it was a good book. It was an easy read as well. It just took me a little longer because I feel like I was always doing something. So to sit and stop and read the book, that was the main issue. But anyway, sorry, I'm looking here and here because feel like your girl is tired. I did a lot. I did my nails. They're not the best. But for my first time doing acrylics myself, it's not horrible. It could have been worse. The thing is, I know the method on how to do it. The problem is when you're doing it on yourself, especially on my dominant hand, it took me longer. I did film it, so that probably will be the first vlog. I haven't edited it because I'm not doing anything else tonight. I'm done. Because I also didn't only do my nails. I also did my pedicure, so I did my toes and everything. So tonight was pretty much like self-care, I guess, pamper, if you will. But now I'm tired, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, maybe. Awesome. All the way up. One more. Good, to the side. Come on, Abby, give me some more energy. Pull, 3, 4, good. 7, pull. 8, 9, one more. 10, next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. 10, good work. guys, so it's been a minute since I posted because honestly, this month, well, this year in general, I was trying to be like, trying to have a work-life balance because I feel like all the time I just work, come home, and then like by the time the weekend comes, I don't really want to do anything. But anyway, so that was what happened this week. And also, I just was busy doing a lot of stuff. Next week, I'm also gonna, well, I know yeah, next week I'm also gonna be very busy. But after next week, I'm officially on break for the whole weeks. Yay! I can't wait for that break. This week was such a long week. I don't know why. It just felt so long. I think because the previous 2 weeks we had a day off each week, so it kind of made the week go a little faster. Oh, just update on my nails. They're still there, but I'm going to take them off actually because some of them are starting to peel off anyway. Because again, this is my first time doing it. It wasn't horrible, but with practice, I will get better. But I actually am going to, I just texted my, not texted that I normally do because I feel like doing like a nice almond shape, probably red. Although my toes are pink, I was thinking I should do pink, but who cares if you mismatch? I don't really care. Normally, I like to match my nails or have a color that complements, but I just really want to do red, so I think I'm gonna get red because I don't want to. I was gonna do press-ons, but the thing with press-ons, I feel like if I'm gonna do press-ons, I'm gonna do it for like something short term. I don't really care if it pops off, but I kind of want to leave. If I do acrylic, I want to leave it longer. So I decided I'll go Monday after work and get my nails done. And then I have to just take these off, but like this one started lifting. It just broke yesterday. The whole top of the tip broke off. So, but anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about is, I wanted to do a really quick call into this video. I'm not gonna do a separate video because I feel like it just makes it too long. Also, I'm very much hungry, so I don't want to chit chat too much. I think I'm gonna start with my Dollar Tree stuff first, and then I'll go into the other things. So Tuesday, I did go buy a few things only because I was trying to kill time because I had to pick up my brother and there's stores around. But I said next week, I'm not doing that. There's actually a Starbucks. I didn't even realize there was Starbucks, and I have a Starbucks gift card. So I'm like, I have to use it. So I might just spend like a good hour in Starbucks while I wait. And then instead of me shopping carelessly for things I don't need to shop, I need to save. Now, some of these stuff I probably shouldn't have gotten, but was snacks. So, oh, that's what I want to say. So my trainer did send me last week like a, what do you call it? Hopefully my trainer's not watching this. She sent me a meal plan, but like some of the stuff I can't eat. I'm sorry, I cannot eat the same thing every day. So I'm trying to like stay within what the meals are, but like switching it up to something still healthy. Because I'm supposed to have salmon for dinner every day. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I hope my trainer's not watching this. And if she is, I'm sorry. But I'm trying to like still just have vegetables and stuff like that. So today I actually had, so I'm supposed to have a salad, but I didn't have enough stuff like chicken, blah, blah, blah. So I just made something quick. So I only had lettuce, tomato, but it was like fresh lettuce. I cut it up. For, lettuce, tomato. I had a little bit of cheese. I'm not supposed to probably have cheese because that's not good. Because my goal is supposed to be that by the end of February, I lose 8 to 10 pounds. Now, I would say this week I didn't do the best, but it's definitely I ate better than I normally do in a whole given week, I should say. Because sometimes in a given week, I would eat like very badly, like every day except for maybe like 1 day or 2 days. This week was a little better. I did have like something I shouldn't have had, which was pizza. But we're going to reset this week. I have to be a little bit more organized. I'm going to definitely make, I think I have a notebook actually for this meal prep stuff, but I think I'm going to take it seriously and actually write in it because I think I started writing on it when I did the soft challenge, 75-day soft challenge last year, but I have too much stuff on my phone. So let's make this quick. Whatever I was going to say, maybe I'll say it in another vlog. I got some more tissues because I've been just blowing my nose from this cold weather. My nose is always running. I got these. Some of these stuff is going in the kitchen, so it's good that I'm taking them out. I got some more of these forks because I keep on finding Dollar Tree had them, but in my regular 99-cent store, they only have forks, spoons, and knives. And you don't always need, like sometimes I do need the knife, but it's not all the time. And same thing with the spoon. I really do use forks more so especially when I'm taking lunch to work. So that's why I got like a 2-pack of them, the 48-pack. Next I got some of these tissues. I didn't care they were for kids. That was the only ones they had, and I need more of these because I use these too, like when I'm on my commute or stuff like that and I need to really blow my nose. I like to have the pocket tissues on hand. Next, I saw that they had these little small pocket size. So I already actually have the big size. This is the other one I have. I really like these antibacterial wipes, but these are for like, you know, you're outside and you need to clean your hand. I really need that. Oh, I didn't know 16. There's a lot in there. It's 16 of them. I got two of them. I don't know where I put the other one though. Yeah, I got a pack. Oh, there's not a lot, but I needed some more band-aids, so I got a pack of band-aids. This is the side. Oh, I got these because I thought it was interesting. So this is a feminine bath bomb specifically for when you're on your cycle. It's by Be Pure. I've tried stuff from Be Pure before. I liked it, so I'm definitely gonna try this on my next menstrual cycle. Sorry. Then they have a menstrual heat patch, but you can only use it like one time. I do have like a heating pad thing already, but these you keep it on. I would probably use this on like the day that I'm really like in bad cramp mode. Next I already showed you guys this. I'm gonna move that out. I got this, but I don't have I have to find a vase or something small. It's like a glitter vase filler. I was trying to do some more decor in my room. I only have a few stuff in my room up. Then I have this, then there's like this Be Mine tray thing, so I got that too. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. Yeah, maybe the snacks I just bought. I got some honey wheat pretzels, and then I did get another one of these, like I just showed you guys. They changed the packaging now on it. The antibacterial wipes, the bigger size. I got some Hershey chocolate because, yeah, I shouldn't be having that though at all, actually. But these are the mini size. And then I got these because we're often like, sometimes like today, for example, I had to go buy some dressing. But not only that, like instead of me carrying the whole thing of dressing, these are small little bowls you could just put the dressing in. Or if you have a sauce like ketchup or whatever, you want to condiment with your lunch. So I got these bowls. Now for quickly from what I got from Marshall's, I just got a pack of bras from like a Juicy Couture. It has like Juicy labeling on the back too. There's 3 different colors, black. Cause I always feel like I'm wearing like the same bras, and I mean that's TMI, but like when you sweat so much, you're not supposed to be wearing the same bras, right? You gotta switch your bras up. And I just got this cover up because I thought it was cute too. And then I got a Michael Kors bathing suit from Marshall's. That's what I got. I didn't try it on, but I'm pretty sure it will fit because I generally wear like a 14, and I looked at it. It looks like it will fit. Just Michael Kors, and then the thing says Michael Kors on the side. But yeah, it's like a strap, back strap, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that concludes my haul. I think I've recorded enough because I was recording within other days. I just kind of forgot about you guys, and then also nothing major was happening for me to film. Oh, this reminds me of something else I could add, but I think I'm gonna just do a separate vlog of me. Like it's gonna be like kind of like the vlog that you guys got on Tuesday. I think I dropped it on Tuesday, or did I drop it on Monday? No, I dropped it on Monday. When I did a maintenance, it's gonna be like something like that again. But this time it's gonna really be focused on my hair because I'm gonna get my hair done, and I told you guys already I'm gonna get my nails done. I think I'm just gonna do that, consolidate that into a separate vlog. But yeah, that's what I have to talk about. Because I'm actually genuinely hungry. I just wanted to get this out the way so that I can just spend the weekend editing it. And also, yeah, spend the weekend editing it pretty much. And then, yeah. So, yeah, you guys can get this vlog Monday. I want to be on it, on top of it. And then, also, I want to be on top of it for you guys to get something on Wednesday. But, yeah, I'm done. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, next subscribe so you're notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.